No McDonald's. No McDonald's. Hey, McDonald's. What are you? What about a turn signal? Oh, he has one of those. He doesn't know how to wait his turn. It's half of the turn. Signal and then the wait. And now you. Thank you. Hi. That's not how that works. Let's see if that works. U-turn, no signal needed. Yay. I actually created a YouTube channel for JaxCam shit. Did you? I did. Cool. But I mean, there's only one thing on it, and I'm not going to even tell anybody about it unless it has more content. Okay. Okay, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, these two are just being dear idiots all at once. Save it next. Yeah, man, I think it's awesome. Yeah, I thought doing stupid shit with a dash cam had potential. So I created a channel just in case. There you go. I'm sure stuff will come up. Oh, I've already got several saved clips. There you go. Come on now. This is not a 3 mile per hour speed limit. Nope. We encourage you to go at. Oh, motherfucker. Pick a lane, any lane, dude. Oh, goddamn. Okay, enough of that. Jesus Christ. Don't go 3 here. I got over so he could pass me. Easy guy, do it. Here he goes. Here he comes. Look at him go. There he goes. And what, he just passed me so he could stop? That's exciting. Hooray. You're 2 car lengths further. Well done. And now I need over, so keep moving your ass. Don't understand you at all. I'm not trying to drag race you. I'm trying to get home. Oh, he's exiting anyway. It's all over. Bye, weirdo. This podcast is an affiliate of. Unclear why you changed lanes. Okay. Just to be in the middle in front of someone else? I don't get it. A green light for no one. Yay. A very, very long green light for no one. New green light. There's literally no cross traffic. The stores aren't even open that I'm stopped in front of. There we go.